everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a new video. To everybody who is new to the channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Katlego and thank you so much for joining the family. We really appreciate it. So today, as I was about to load a video, I realized that I didn't do an intro. So today is Thursday. I recorded the video on Tuesday. So yeah, today is 2 days later. And in the video, you guys will see that I went to collect a package that was sent via Pargo. I bought a couple of bottles of perfume from Fine Fragrance collection. I saw it on Namalina's channel. Yeah, I think it's Namalina. I think last year, and I bumped into it again, and I happened to be out of perfume, so I thought, let me give these a try. I think I bought about 10 bottles for myself, my husband, and my brother. So in total we ordered about 10 just to try them out. Yeah, so we got a few bottles each just to test them out or try them out and see if we like them, if they last the whole day. So these are the three that I got. I think I got my mom Black Opium, and when I tested it, it was a bit too sweet for me, so I gave it to her. She loves sweet perfume, so she said she loves it, it's okay. And then I also got myself Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, I think, and it smells okay, to be quite honest. Not a perfume I would go for, but it's okay. I think I will wear this one at home. And then the second one that I got myself is Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel, I think. Yes, by Chanel. And this one smells amazing, guys. Like, I absolutely love it. It's, for me, I don't know, there's a little bit of sweetness but more floral, so I really like it. I'm gonna be using this one a lot. It really smells amazing. I really like it. And then the last one is Scandal by Jean-Paul Gaultier. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this one smells amazing as well. It's also sweet, for me anyway. But I like it, I really like it. So yeah, these two are definitely my favorite, Coco Mademoiselle and Scandal. I really love them. I really look forward to using them. Each bottle I bought for, I think, 50 rands, and then they charge 65 rands for a Pargo delivery. So the nice thing about Pargo, okay, they're not paying me to say this or anything, but I really like it because you get to choose a pickup point closest to you, and I chose the filling station not too far from my home. And I could have chosen, like a pharmacy or, any other store. But the nice thing about a filling station is that I could have gone at any given point in time. So I wouldn't have to go there by 4 o'clock, because they're closing or anything. So yeah, I picked mine up later on in the day, I think around about 5 o'clock. And yeah, no hassles, man. Just gave them my ID, they scanned everything, and I was back home. So yeah, if you would like to buy these Fine Fragrance collections, I think they do have pop-up shops in some malls. Otherwise, if you don't if you have a mall close to you but they don't have a pop-up shop there, then you can order online. I forgot their website, but you can just Google them, Fine Fragrance Collection, and you can order some perfume from them. These are not the only fragrances that they have. They have a couple. I'm not sure of all of them, but you might not get the fragrance that you want. They only sell fragrances that are bestsellers. I don't know, according to maybe South Africans or just the world in general, I don't know, but they just sell the top selling perfumes. So don't be surprised if you go onto their website and you do not find your perfume. So yeah, anyway, yeah guys, that's about it. I didn't get up too much on Tuesday. I had a long laundry day. I had some laundry to do, as well as my bedding and the collection, collecting my package, and that's about it. Oh yes, and then I cooked some dinner. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Love you so much. Bye. Okay, so this is my last load, last bedding load actually, and then I'm going to start with the laundry. Yeah, this is my third load of bedding. I think the last two was a comforter and a blanket, and then this one is my second blanket, as well as my pillowcase, and then I'm done. I'm gonna start with our clothes. So for dinner, I am making some rice and stewed meat. This is the meat. I started off by chopping some onions, some peppers, and frying it in a bit of oil. I added some salt, pepper, and a few spices, along with some garlic and ginger to add some flavor. And then I added my meat with some stock. I've also put on a pot of rice, which is just going to boil for a couple of minutes, and then we wait for the meat, which is going to take about 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours in, guys, and the meat is nice and tender. The vegetables are soft as well. The sauce is nice and thick. I'm not going to add any powdered soup to thicken it. I think it's thick enough. So the stew is ready now. I'm going to dish up, and then we are going to have dinner. So yeah, let me just dish up and have dinner, have a bath, and go to sleep because I am so tired.